Hey Tommy, I'm going to teach you right now. This is a really quick video about a quick trick that I bet you don't know is hidden in your Eclipse program. And that is for 3 words, I think it's 3, that come up so often in transcripts. Okay, all right, and you know. And Eclipse actually has a nice little quick trick built right into the keyboard. So right here in the transcript, I know that Mr. Grant says, okay. So if I hit Alt 1, the number 1, Alt 1, it puts in okay. If I hit Alt 2, it puts in all right. If I hit Alt 3, it puts in, you know, in parentheses. And I know, I'm pretty sure that you probably don't know that. So I just wanted you to know when you have that come up in the transcript, you can just hit Alt 1 for okay, Alt 2 for alt right, and Alt 3 for comma, you know, comma. And that can help you a lot, especially with those initial okay, all rights in a sentence. So that's it. Just write down Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3. And that's your quick Eclipse tip for the day. Ciao.